That's it, I've got the GoPro on, boss.
Let's roll.
My exhaust just popped.
Hey, love a bit of popping.
We do. I'm going to imagine we're going to turn left here, but I could be wrong. Yeah, we are. Is your little bag zipped up, by the way?
What's that?
Is your little bag zipped up?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's just the stitching that's hanging off.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, fuck, I just put it into first.
You don't want that, bro.
I just put it into first at like 30 miles an hour.
Oh no, bro. I fucking did that last week. Do you remember?
Broke my bike off, bro.
I just fucking tore my bike open, bro.
To be fair, it's not even that cold actually.
It's a bite in the air, but it's not like unbearable.
It is acceptable levels.
Yeah. What I like about this though as well is that everyone has got a different bike.
Yeah.
I mean, the closest ones here are mine and yours.
Yeah, literally. Well, to be fair, two people have an R125, but they're customised so differently.
Yeah. Is that you beside me on my left?
Yeah, that's me when you left. You've got one biker behind me. Where the fuck did Tyler go? Oh, there.
Is he alright?
Yeah, Tyler's right behind you, boss.
Just gonna bite that a little bit.
Go on, boss, open her up a bit.
There he is.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, hiya.
But here I am.
That's alright, we're still in the group, that's all that matters.
I'll let him go on. Back it up. Right, there's a camera on these lights as well, joyous. Caladelia. Naughty!
Callum, come back!
Yay!
Oh no, bro!
Oh no, bro!
Bro's just chilling out.
Oh, my hips always hurt off I did that. I nearly fucking lost control of the bike there as well.
You nutter.
Yeah, I can't lie, I want a sports bike next. Brad's bike looks clean. This is why I want to suggest to the group that we get a Discord server.
Yeah. We're a little bit stretched apart.
Yeah, I know. Oh, guys, give me some room to get in. Oh.
I'm here.
Cool. So I can always tell your bike because you've got the indicator lights on all the time, haven't you?
Yeah.
Which is quite handy, to be fair. So I know it's always you.
Yeah, I'll give off a nice bit of colour. I'm thinking.
I'm thinking Miku, Miku, Miku. Oh shit, that was a bit risky.
That's alright.
What I'll do is I'll stay in the slow lane so you can catch up.
It's alright, I see you.
Cool. Oh, I think I was in second there. Right, you behind me? Yeah, you're behind me. Are the other two behind you?
Yep.
Right, we're gonna have to give it a bit of the old beans. Fucking hell, they're bright. Average Tesla experience. Meow. Are you enjoying yourself, Mr. James?
I am indeed. Just keep going concentration mode every now and then is all.
That's
Loving it. Life is a highway.
Oh, I remember when I came down here, it was freezing levels and it was foggy as well.
Oh yeah?
Me, couldn't see anything.
Yeah, I read it in the fog once where I couldn't see no more than 4 foot in front of me. It was fucking scary, dude.
Like this bike in front of me was probably about as far as I could see.
Yeah, about where you are for me as well. Life is a highway, I'll ride it all night long.
All night long. New brew. I keep looking at my phone. Is my phone still there? Because obviously I can't see it that well in the dark.
Your phone?
Yeah, because obviously it's on the handlebars, isn't it?
I can't see it.
But yes, it is still there. What's going on, man? Oh, I think we're pulling over. This isn't where we're going, but I have a think we might be discussing Zoe. Unless we're just going this way. Okay, we're going this way.
I don't know, I can overtake you, you can have a look.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure I'll have a chance to, yeah.
Life is a highway.
This is pretty freaking sweet, man, I can't lie, pretty freaking sweet.
What's sweet?
This road.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. I do love a nice bend like that. Rule number 1 of the zombie world, enjoy the little things.
Of the zombie world?
Yep.
Fairs. Mate, imagine going down a road like this in a zombie apocalypse and all of a sudden there's just a horde in the middle of the road. That'd be
Bro,
terrifying.
fucking that would be scary. I used to have this this exercise app, which were basically you'd be walking around, you'd be collecting items, and there's points where it's just like zombie alert and you need to run.
Huh.
So it really does get you sprinting. It's quite scary, especially if you've got a headset on.
Oh, nice. And that was an exercise app.
It was an exercise app, yeah.
Fucking hell.
And you hear like all the zombie groans and everything. It's fucking scary as shit, dude.
Sounds like it would be. Oh, alright, we're going right apparently. Of course. course they're not going to let us go. They're in a Range Rover. Oh.
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 Oh no, bro. I don't know where I'm going, bro.
Callum might know the way. Oh yeah, we need to let Brad pass, don't we? Ooh, which is nice. I don't know what this is, but it's nice.
Ooh.
Well, this isn't it.
Fancy.
Are we indicating or not? Because Callum had his indicator on and then turned it on. Okay, no. I guess Callum thought that might have been it.
Yeah, maybe he mistook the roundabout.
Possibly. Callum's tapping his head.
Huh?
Callum's tapping his head, so I don't know if he thinks there's police up ahead or something. I don't know. Oh, fuck me.
Oh, that is dark.
Well, fortune favours the bold, I guess, boss.
Absolutely. I'm glad I have someone to talk to on this precious little journey of ours.
It is very good, boss. It also makes you a bit less nervy when you've got someone to joke about it with.
Yeah. Well, I have done roads like this all by myself before, so it's not terrible.
Yeah. Fucking hell, boss, fucking hell. Oh no, bro. Oh mate, my thumb is freezing.
My whole hand is freezing.
Oh, yeah, true. I've got my grips on, but I haven't got them on warm. I've just got them on. I can't even feel them, but I think
Right.
they're stopping me from getting too cold.
Bro's complaining about cold hands with fucking warm grips.
Yeah, but my thumb is fully exposed. Oh, it's a bit wet. We're chugging along. I wonder where we'll go when we're chugging along. I wonder what we'll see when we're chugging along.
Ah, this is like the way I took when I was on the way to, well, when I was on the way to Colchester way.
Oh.
Yeah, I recognise that part on my right.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, I've been along here before.
So where does this bring us out at?
If I recall, it brings us out to the right side of Chelmsford.
Okay.
So, what's on the right side? Not too far away from Bar and Beyond.
Okay. So I know the right side is with the side that the A12 runs along, so that makes sense.
Oh yeah, I believe so. Because it looks familiar.
We're chugging along. Where the fuck? Oh god, my visor's proper like... No, okay, apparently not. Oh, up here, okay. Fuck me, that's tight.
Jesus Christ, it is.
You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Cool.
I've taken worse corners than that.
Oh, are we here? We're here. The people in this place are probably thinking, what the fuck?
Because you were all set up to go right, and I looked down at mine, and it's like, if you go right, you would be double backing. So,